Sounds good?
Okay, sounds good.
Good. Awesome. So now let's try discussing a little bit about the topic, which is very simple, and I'll help you out if you face any difficulty. Okay? All right. So as I mentioned, it's about inventions and discoveries. Okay? So do you know first thing is what is the difference between an invention and a discovery? What does it mean?
Okay. So invention that someone made by hand.
Yeah. Okay.
Someone that made something by hand. And I think discovery means something that is discovered automatically. Then something that is there in this world, but we discovered it.
Yes, correct. Absolutely right.
Where do you live? All trains are.
Yes. I don't know what happened to the trains today. They all are coming and honking in front of my building. So I live in Mumbai.
So you live in a building?
Yes, I live in an apartment and I reside in Mumbai.
Yeah, I have seen.
Yeah, so the local trains we have here, the trains, they go through the city. So all our buildings and all are near to the railway stations. So they make a lot of noise, But today, I don't know, suddenly today so many times they're honking today. Yeah, a little surprising.
I live far from railway station.
Okay, you also live in Mumbai?
No, I don't live in Mumbai. I live in Jodhpur, Rajasthan.
Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Nice. Good. Awesome. All right. So, you told me what is the difference between invention and discoveries. Okay, very good. But can you give me an example of both?
Okay. That's invention. Thomas Alva Edison invented the bulb.
Yes, correct. Very good.
Okay. And a shepherd man discovered the magnet.
The magnet. Okay,
Yeah.
so the magnet is a discovery, you feel?
Yeah.
Or was it an invention?
Yeah, it's a discovery.
It's a discovery. Okay. All right. I'm a little confused. But magnet was discovered or was it invented?
No, magnet. There was some discovered. It was discovered by a shepherd.
Shepherd. Okay.
Yeah. And
Wow.
in Greece, there is a small town called Magnesia. So he was his sheep were gazing and like this. He had a stick and down that he didn't know that it is a magnet, but it was magnet and and near it was a rock and upper the rock it was some iron fillings were.
Oh.
Some iron fillings were. Yeah. So he put the sticks in the stone, but he didn't know that there was a magnet in his stick. So when he tried to put up the stick, he couldn't. So he got afraid and he got afraid that some ghost has come. Yeah, and he called the villager. That's when the magnet was discovered.
Okay, this is very interesting, So you're saying there's a shepherd who had taken his sheep for grazing on a mountain somewhere.
Yeah,
on a hill,
yeah,
right?
Mountain.
On a mountain. And he had this stick, right? So the stick had some metal covering or something on it, correct?
Magnet. But he didn't know that it was a magnet.
Okay, so when he touched the ground with it, he felt a little pull, so he's wondering what is that?
There was a big stone.
Okay.
Yeah, and on the stone there were some iron fillings.
Oh,
that's
wow.
when it touched it. Yeah.
Great. And in a place called Magnesia, you said, right?
Magnesia town.
Magnesia. So where is this town exactly? Somewhere in Europe? Greece. Oh, wow. Very interesting. I did not know about this. Nice. Thank you for sharing this information. Nice. Very interesting, no? To learn about these. Yeah. You like science?
Yeah.
You like science?
Yeah. I like science, but my favorite subject is English.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow, nice. And who's your teacher at school? Who's your English teacher?
English. It's Kanchan ma'am.
Okay. So, yeah, you like her teaching? You like how she teaches English?
Yeah, I like.
Nice.
I like it.
Good enough.
Yeah. And English is very easy subject. It makes me more confident.
Good. And you like to read books as well, right? It gives you so much more information.
Yeah.
Which book are you reading?
And annual exams are coming to March.
In March? Next month?
Yeah.
Scary?
Half-yearly is done.
Yeah, you've done with your preparation?
Yeah. No, half-yearly is completed. I mean, result almost done.
Okay. Nice. Good. Very good. Very exciting. I also love English a lot, It is a fun subject to learn, to read comprehension, grammar. Good. Awesome. All right. So let's focus back a little bit more on the topic. Okay. So what do you think is the most helpful invention and discovery to mankind, which has been very helpful for us?
Okay. So obviously it's a bulb. Bulb, tube, light. I mean light.
Electricity.
Yeah, electricity.
Yes, correct. Good. Without electricity, we wouldn't have light. We wouldn't be able to function. Our industries, factories, nothing would work. We wouldn't have developed. Correct?
Yeah. That's right.
Correct. That's how we've passed on from Stone Age, then Metal Age, Industrial Age, right? And then now technological age. What are different ages we've passed through, right? And electricity has speeded that process.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I've only heard of Stone Age.
Oh, there are many ages. Yeah, there are many different ages.
I think I will learn when I will get older, like 8 to 9 classes.
Correct. So which class are you right now?
Yeah. I'm in 6th grade.
In 6th grade. Good. Nice. Awesome. All right. So Trisha, let's try discussing a little bit more on this point. Okay. So let me ask you this question. Okay, Trisha. So if you get an opportunity to invent something, or you can go and discover something, what would you invent?
Okay. I think world has become more advanced now. There's nothing to invent now, but it will be hard.
Okay. Personally, what do you feel like? Something is still missing that that can be there in the world, or you would like to invent.
I've not seen the world till now. I'm just a small. Yeah, but but I think the reading. I think the books should be less.
Less?
Yeah, no. The price of the books.
Price. Okay.
Yeah, because they are too expensive when I buy it.
Correct. Yes.
Yeah.
So you would like to reduce the prices.
So I will invent a machine like this, and people will come and choose an amount which they want to take, like $50 for a book, any amount which they like to. Yeah, which they like to pay, and they can choose any book, their favorite book of this amount.
Oh,
yeah.
Wow.
When I will grow older, I would love to.
Yeah, you can make your own shop, own place, own library where people can come read books and all. But have you visited a library anytime?
No library, but I visited a bookstore.
Not
okay. Library, but I have a library in school, which we go. There's a period every day, but not now these days because COVID-19.
COVID-19, correct. So, library is a good way, you just have to go and borrow the book. So you pay a very minimal amount. So you go borrow the book, read it, and then you return it back.
Yeah, we can do also. Once my friend did it, but when she didn't, she paid the amount and she lost the book.
Oh, then you have to pay a fine.
Yeah. I didn't do it, but she did it.
Yeah, she did it.
And in school, I love that we can take books which we want and we can read. We just don't have to pay the amount. We can read and take it back.
Keep it back. Good. So have you done that?
Yeah. In my school, we used to do every day.
Nice. That's a good way of learning, Good.
Yeah.
It's a good habit, good practice. So continue reading books, it's very good, Trisha. Nice. All right, since you're just running short of time right now, Trisha, we just have 1 minute. Do you have any question or doubt that you want to ask me?
No, I don't have, actually. But what do you do? I would like to know.
Oh, yeah. So, I teach. This is a part-time thing that I'm doing right now, since I love to teach, and I love English, just like you said.
So, you are a mentor in clapingo.
Yes, correct. So, I help out here, and then I have another job as well. So, I do that as well, but currently it's work from home.
Which kind of job?
So I work in a MNC, it's a multinational corporation, and I help with the system work. So back-end process, so I help in that.
Okay.
I'm sorry, sir, for uploading the video, but please don't mind, sir, because I loved it. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. See you soon. Till then, take care and learn English.